KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a dish from Myanmar, formerly known as Burma. It is chicken stir-fried with zucchini. Really good combination, this one. Let's get on with it. Right here I've got about half a kilo or a pound-ish of chicken breast. I've just cut that up into nice rough chunks. We're going to add in a little bit of garlic, around about a teaspoon. I'm using the paste, of course. A little bit of fish sauce, about a teaspoon's worth that goes in. About 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a good quality. Make sure you get it on the bench, otherwise you're doing it wrong. Around about a tablespoon's worth of sugar, that can go straight in. And we're going to use a little bit of sesame oil, around about 1/4 to half a teaspoon, depending on how you like it. Give that a quick mix and let that sit for about 30 minutes at a bare minimum. I just get those flavors into the chicken. Okay, just stir that through, set it aside. As you can see on the right hand side, I've already got 2 nice large zucchini that I've cut up really nice and fine. A little bit of peanut oil in the bottom of a wok. Get that nice and hot. Just test that. It's looking nice and hot. All we have to do now is put that chicken straight in, just like I am doing right there. And what we want to do is stir fry that through until it's around about sort of 20% cooked. It'll keep cooking off while the zucchini cooks off. As you can see, we're getting a nice little bit of colour and everything happening right there. So just stir fry that through like that. And it's easier to have everything ready to go while you're doing a stir fry. Do your pre-prep, have everything all put out in front of you. Okay, now add in your zucchini, just like that, and just stir fry that through with the chicken. The zucchini won't take very long to cook. If you want your zucchini a little bit softer, you can put your zucchini in just before you put the chicken in. It won't really matter in that order, but you'll end up a little bit softer. 1 large green chili, which I have sort of deseeded. I'm just going to put that straight in, keep stir frying that around. This dish, from start to finish in the cooking process, it's going to take you around about 10 to 12 minutes. A little bit of chicken stock that can go in. I didn't show that in the beginning. You don't need to know. Just use a powdered chicken stock for this one. You can, unless you've got it fresh already in the refrigerator. Right, a little bit of corn flour or cornstarch, mix that up with a little bit of stock, pour that over the top. That's going to create a really nice, quick, beautiful sauce. Okay, just stir fry that through, and that sauce is going to take no more than about 2 minutes to thicken up. Before you know it, you've got your stir-fried chicken with zucchini. Serve that up with a little bit of rice. Pour a little bit of that sauce over the rice as well. Alright, I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. You want to learn how to cook something new from a different culture, a different country, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I will catch you next time. Bye!